Let's get started with Bose Quiet Comfort headphones, where advanced noise cancellation and ultimate comfort come together for the true joy of music. The headphones feature an over-ear design, meaning the ear pads completely surround your ears for immersive sound and comfort. They also have an over-ear folding mechanism, allowing the headphones to fold compactly for easier storage and portability. The shape of the earpieces is designed to fit over the ears, providing a secure and comfortable listening experience. 32 ohm impedance, active noise cancellation, frequency range from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, 100 decibels sensitivity, and a balanced armature driver ensure high-quality sound performance. These headphones feature a 3.5mm headphone jack, wireless Bluetooth connectivity with a range of up to 30 feet, and use Bluetooth version 5.1 for a stable, high-quality wireless connection. The headphones take approximately 2.5 hours for a full charge and provide an average battery life of up to 24 hours on a single charge, allowing for extended listening sessions without frequent recharging. The Bose Quiet Comfort headphones provide noise control through active noise cancellation managed by push-button controls. Additionally, users can customize sound settings and noise cancellation modes easily via the Bose app for a personalized listening experience. The enclosure is made from a blend of leather and plastic, providing both durability and comfort. These headphones are primarily designed for entertainment purposes and are compatible with devices like smartphones, tablets, and laptops. They come with a detachable cable for flexible use. However, they are not water-resistant. The carrying case for the headphones is made from either nylon or aluminum, ensuring sturdy protection during transport. The arrangement of the electronics on the circuit board is functional, but not organized by management.